The palace dares former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque to return to the country if he truly cares about public funds being used by the tracker team to locate him. In a video posted on his social media accounts on Tuesday, May 20, Roque said he is in The Hague, Netherlands, where former President Rodrigo Duterte is detained for alleged crimes against humanity. In the same video, Roque accused the government of creating a tracker team as a way to embezzle money. In a briefing on Wednesday, May 21, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro says that searching for a fugitive is not a waste of time.
Ang paghahanap ng isang fugitive ay hindi pag-aaksaya ng oras. Kung siya ay concerned sa pondo ng bayan, dapat noong pang 2016. At kung sinasabi nga niya na siya ay concerned sa pondo ng bayan, hindi ba mas maganda kung mag-voluntaryo na siyang umuwi rito para hindi na siya pag-aksaya ng oras at ng pera ng gobyerno?
Roque also previously claimed of political persecution after an arrest warrant was issued against him by a Pampanga court over his alleged involvement with a Philippine offshore gaming operator hub. But Roque's former colleague, former Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo, disagrees with Roque's claim. Castro says that Roque's claim of political persecution might be a way of deflecting the accusations against him.
Mukhang si Atty. Harry Roque na lang naman ang naniniwala sa kanyang pananaw na may political persecution. Ito malamang ay ang pagtatago niya ng kanyang maaaring liability at ang kanyang pagsama-sama sa mga Duterte ay ginagawa niyang panangga para ipatunayan na mayroong political persecution. Pero kahit ang kanyang dating naging kaalyado ay hindi naniniwala sa kanyang mga tinuran.